gave me a lot of inspiration and motivation to actually continue on what I'm doing, because I have started already.
It was awesome. It went really fast. Like, how did so many hours go so quickly? Great.
Today was fantastic. Everyone just presented everything extremely well, and it was all understandable.
It's probably one of the workshops that I have got the most out of. A lot of information that I don't know about, so yeah, very valuable.
I just intuitively tuned in to Ocean, Reeve and his ideas and his business model, and I went, yes.
I loved today's presentation. I thought it was incredible. It was lots of information, lots of detail.
Absolutely loved it. Ocean is fabulous and his wisdom's worth having, so if you have an opportunity to go along and hear him, I'd say do it.
It's been amazing. I'm so pleased we did this. This is something that Ocean and I have wanted to do for some time, and to actually pull everyone together. They've had such a great day. It's been a real buzz.
That I'm actually believing that I can do it.
All of the steps that were outlined were just so clear.
The biggest takeaway for me was the fact that you can look at writing as a career and that you can collaborate with other writers, and you can also give something back to the community.
The fact that Ocean has proven that it's possible to make over $100,000 a year.
I think the biggest takeaway was that at the end of the day, it's all my responsibility to get on with it. So I'm the one that has to bite the bullet and take action.
I think taking away the vision of it actually happening instead of the vision of it just always being just in, arm's reach.
Definitely how to structure my chapters. I've already written quite a lot, so close to finishing, but I really needed to know about where my entry point was, where I start, what was my hook, what was the first chapter, the best place to start. So Ocean has really helped me get that clarity on how I should structure my books.
I think learning about how every author can earn $100,000 or more if they apply themselves and put in all of those marketing techniques as well as writing the book. So it's not just writing the book, there's also 90% of it is marketing, promoting and focusing on it after the event. So it's been a great day, really good.
Writing the book and putting it together, it sounds really fun. Like, you do it with a team, it's all collaborative, but the biggest takeaway is how much the follow through and marketing the book after it's done is so important to the overall process. So that was a big, okay, and we need a process, we need a system, we need some steps, and we need to be really committed to that long term.
If you are embarking on this process, or if you've sort of thought about writing a book and you haven't really, done very much with it, that, you guys have a program that actually assists someone like me who hasn't done it before to actually map out the entire journey. So it kind of takes the fear and the overwhelm out of the process. And then you have, an entire program for the end journey as well to actually ensure my success towards the end. So yeah, there was lots of takeaways.
Just the inspiration that I got from everyone, and Ocean, I suppose in particular, in just knowing that we can do it, and the confidence that we'll take away from today.
If other people can do it, why can't I?
Yeah, it was a really enjoyable experience. It was great, it was succinct, and yeah, I loved it.
I found today really inspiring.
I feel really inspired and motivated to get it done.
Very inspiring.
I want to sign up, and I have.